My poems emerge from the dark of you meeting I. Then there is something more than light. There is life. In this life there are people wanting secret wishes to take shape as poems. Friends connecting 3,000 miles of wonder and wisdom and what nows. Lovers giving each other keys to rooms they've always wanted to open. Yes, no, oh, oh. Would you like a poem? I'll write you a poem about anything you want on the spot. Choose the paper that you like and then tell me what you want it to be about and who you want it to be for. You're welcome to have it for yourselves. My name is Sylvia Alcivar and I am a poet. People come to me with desire for words and I give them to them. And I always hope that they're the words they're looking for. How does that work out for you? I ask them, what is it like when that person is holding your hand? I ask them, have you ever been to the Pacific Ocean? What is her favorite thing to do in the afternoon? Why does she love unicorns so much? Why does he like to run ultramarathons? Did she give herself the name Princess Copperpenny? Why jellyfish? I ask, why Cadbury eggs? Why do you think sex is the secret to a long marriage? What is it like to see her face in the morning? How do you know you love them? How come you've never told anybody this before? Was it hard to hold her hand? Do you feel like you'll ever stop feeling this way? What was the last thing she said to you? You wish that it could have been different. Where the poem comes from is from my paying attention to how they are with each other, to the kinds of things they've just said to each other, to the way they touch each other or don't touch each other. When I'm writing a poem for someone, it's an act of watching, of listening, being inside that space in my head where there are words coming in.
For the wolf to come hunting, running toward her from the mountain. She is not scared. She is ready, wanting. No, I'm gonna cry.
Sometimes people tell me things that they've never told anyone before. I'm offering them an opportunity to unload, have somebody who's really going to listen and be interested. And I think people really need to tell their secrets. And I sometimes get to be that perfect moment for them.
Born of earth and light, you move like the music inside you, an ocean of that which cannot be named except to say it is salvation.
The deepest secret anybody has ever shared with me was a person who was probably in his mid-20s, and he had gone to the Golden Gate Bridge to jump. And we had an amazing conversation about suicide, about life, about death. And then I wrote him a poem, and he cried, and he told me he's going to keep it in his wallet. It began as an exercise for myself. I need to write. I need to make it manageable and approachable. So I said, I just need to write for 3 minutes a day. That's it. These little poems came out, and it felt great to have something that was literally small and also mentally approachable. And I just kept doing it. I never felt good calling myself a writer. And I wanted to be able to. All my life, I'm like, I'm a sham, and I have to fix that somehow. This gig did indeed solve the problem of whether or not I'm a writer. I'm a poet. I make a living as a poet.